Hi, I'm Michael from Litepanels, and in this video we'll be looking at the Astra IP Traveler Kits. Designed for anyone who needs professional white light on the move, these kits are fast to set up, easy to transport, and rugged enough for real-world use. Available in duo or trio configurations, each kit includes Astra IP half or 1x1 LED panels with 3-section light stands, V and gold mount battery plates and brackets, medium diffusion panels, and a purpose-built Pelican case to hold it all. At the heart of each kit are the Astra IP LED panels, available in half or 1x1 formats. These lights deliver high output, accurate colour, and full IP65 weatherproof performance, making them ideal for unpredictable environments. Each panel comes with a medium diffuser as standard. The Trio kit has a single custom foam insert, and the Duo case is made up of 2 layers. So let's take a look at the Duo case as an example. In the kit, you'll find both Anton Bauer gold mount and V mount battery brackets, giving you the flexibility to power your lights off-grid with either battery type. These brackets can be mounted directly to the back of the Astra IP half. To attach them to the yoke of the half or either location on the Astra IP 1x1s, usually included adapter plates as well. There's a dedicated video about fitting battery brackets, so take a look at that for more detail. Also included are the P-tap to 3-pin XLR DC cables. The Kit Stand Pro light stands extend up to 93 inches, which is 237 centimeters, and fold down compactly to just 28.7 inches, which is 73 centimeters. Perfect for location work without compromising on height or stability. Everything fits securely inside a custom designed 𝗙𝗶𝗁𝗲𝗍 case with custom cut foam. Built from HPX high-performance resin, the case is virtually dent and shatter resistant and features a fully air and watertight seal, so your gear stays protected. It's engineered for travel with 2 soft grip handles, a telescopic handle, and rugged inline wheels, making it easy to roll through airports, studios, and to remote locations. The Astra IP Traveler Kits are all about mobility, durability, and speed, giving you everything you need to light confidently in the field. They're compact, reliable, and ready for whatever your production demands. Thanks for watching. For more details or to explore your options, visit litepanels.com.